Welcome to another installment of Thread Talks by Needlepoint.com. In this video, we will be showcasing the popular thread brand Silk Lamé by Rainbow Gallery. There are 4 variations of Silk Lamé thread: Silk Lamé braid, which comes in 13 count, 18 count, and a petite size, and Silk Lamé Plus, which is a ribbon-like variation of the thread. Silk Lamé threads are a blend of silk and metallic materials twisted together, which gives a light sparkle when stitched on a canvas. Silk Lamé braid for 13 is the thickest version of the thread, and it is intended to be stitched on a 13 count canvas for full coverage, like a background stitch. Silk Lamé braid for 18 is a bit more versatile than the 13 count variation. This is because while it is intended to be stitched on an 18 count canvas, it can also be stitched on a 13 count canvas for lighter coverage. Silk Lamé braid for 18 is also thin enough to use when stitching decorative stitches on 18 count canvas. We love the way that Silk Lamé braid for 18 count looks when it's stitched on this open work background of this Kirk & Bradley Retro Skis canvas. Petite Silk Lamé braid is another variation of the thread, and it is the thinnest thread in the Silk Lamé braid line. Because Petite Silk Lamé offers light coverage, it's great for stitching on 18 count canvas. It is also a useful thread to use on open work backgrounds and decorative stitches. You can see how Petite Silk Lamé braid adds a light touch of sparkle in the background of these Kirk & Bradley travel rounds. Finally, Silk Lamé Plus is another shiny Silk Lamé thread. However, this thread is unique because of its ribbon-like nature. This allows Silk Lamé Plus to look especially sparkly when it's laid flat on the canvas, as you can see here on this lemonade stand design. We love stitching with Silk Lamé, and it's in many of our various kits that we offer online and in-store. If you're ready to start stitching with Silk Lamé, visit us in Raleigh, Charleston, or shop online with us at Needlepoint.com.